how to get a high score in Block Blast. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's tutorial, we will see how we can achieve a high score in Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's follow some strategies and plan. First one, you can plan your move. Always consider where all three available blocks can fit on the grid. Avoid placing blocks without a clear long-term strategy to maximize open spaces and prevent deadlocks. Second one is to aim to clear both horizontal and vertical lines simultaneously for points. Creating a double or even triple clears gives significant scoreboard. For example, you can see here, let's create either a horizontal or a vertical line. There you can see you will have the extra point. The third one is to keep the center option. Place blocks around the edges to keep the middle area flexible for larger piece or emergency placement. The fourth one, use small blocks wisely. So for that, reserve small blocks for tight spaces, particularly as the grid starts to fill up. Larger blocks like 3x3 squares should be placed when the board has sufficient open space. And always be patient and stay calm. Analyze your option truly before making a move. Look for the best placement that could lead to the potential combos. So consistency and practice are the key in this game. So you can apply all these tricks and tips to get a high score in Block Blast. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.